How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best camera settings for your Lumix G7. Now, I have prepared this settings right here. Basically, we have the best core camera photography settings, and I also have some core video settings. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is the photo settings itself. Now, for quality, you want to set it to RAW or the RAW plus fine JPEG. This preserves all sensor data for post-processing. For photo style, you want to use the standard for great shots straight out of the camera, or you could also use natural if you plan to add it later. For focus mode, you want to use AFS single for stationary subjects and AFC continuous with eye or face detection for moving people. Now for ISO, you want to keep it as low as possible. The G7 is cleanest around ISO 200 and try not to exceed around this value right here to avoid heavy noise. Now for video format or the video settings, we have the recording format at MP4, the rec quality at 4K 100M, 24p or 24 FPS because it provides the most cinematic motion blur. For photo style, you want to use the Cinelike D. It is preferred for flat profile for video. To get even more dynamic range, you could set it, or you could set the contrast to -5, sharpness at -5, and noise reduction at -5. For the luminance level, you want to set this at 0 to 255 to capture the full range of light and dark information. Now for shutter speed, you want to use the 180-degree rule for natural motion. Your shutter speed should be double your frame rate, etc. So, for example, if you're using something like 24 FPS, you want to use 1/50 for shutter speed, or if you're shooting around 30 FPS, you want to go ahead and basically use 60 for your shutter speed. So just double your main FPS and then it will provide you with a great natural motion blur. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.